Hello everybody. Today what I'm going to be doing here is just finished a long cycle of stage 4. This was the 1000 grit. Should have been done several days ago. I guess it really should have been done last week, and I went away prospecting for the weekend, and Friday we lost power for a brief moment just before I left. Forgot to check on this tumbler. And for some reason, I don't know, maybe I think I might have the belt too tight or something, but it doesn't like always starting up. I have to give it a little push to get it going. So had it been sitting there for 2 days, flipped it around, tilted it, and I could still hear that it wasn't sludged up. So I ran it for since Sunday till, well, today's Thursday morning, so close to noontime, 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna rinse them off. I'm gonna rinse them in each of these. So rinse them in the sink. I got a bucket and a strainer, I'll show you. And also, I'm gonna run them through a clean cycle first because they're gonna be going to the polish stage next. So just start pulling this off. With this type of tumbler, you gotta kind of loosen it and then you put pressure, and you can hear the air release. And I'll just pick these up, put them to the side. And then I gotta kind of get underneath the rib with my fingernails a little bit, lift it up. Sometimes I might push a little bit on the side to help it. Not easy. Alright, pause it for a second. Okay, so I brought it closer to my body so I get better leverage, and I was able to get enough of my nail underneath. Stay dried mostly. Down the cover here. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. Alright. I'm gonna turn this toward the sink. Alright, so I'll just take these, put the soak in that. I set this bucket to the side here from the sink. Okay, rinse my strainer. Give this a little extra rinse. Put these back in the tumbler. And then I'll run them through the clean cycle with the borax for an hour or two to come out, rinse them, and then I'll get them ready for the final polish, the 1000, it's aluminum oxide. Let's take a look and see how these are looking. Very good. It's starting to look pretty neat. But see, they're wet, but when they start drying, they're gonna look different. Until still gonna have a dull dull look until they get the final polish. But it should keep a nice shine. Alright, let's move over here. Okay, start loading this up. Rearrange the camera so you can see it better. But it's already kind of dull look. Let's try. Start to notice the imperfections, like this tiny little holes there. So, to be a nice surprise next week when they're done. Possibly. I've got some even finer polish that I might try, depending on if I don't have enough rock for the next day, then I might as well just try a little bit, see if I can get a even finer polish. Alright, let's get off of this. I'll rinse those out afterwards. Okay, I got borax. Again, like I said, you can buy this right at the most grocery stores have it. It's in a cardboard box, along with your laundry detergents. And I'll put warm water in here. Alright, I'm just going to add enough to just about cover it, close to it. Alright, it's good enough. See, give it plenty of water and soap to stir it up. Gonna make sure these edges are wet. This should already still be wet, but make sure I got a good seal on this. Dry this top part. Alright, and the cover back on. Alright. Make sure it's got a tight seal. Take a visual look at it. And in Tumble, sometimes you'll see looks like it's almost not fit right. The other one fits perfect. It still seals for the most part. I did have mishap once or twice, but and then just crank this down, turn it clockwise as tight as you get it by hand. It'll stop. That's it. It's spinning. Just a tiny bit more, because it's going to be almost metal on metal with a gasket in between. Okay. I think it's good enough. It doesn't have to be tight, but all right. So I'm gonna put this on the tumbler again for an hour. We'll rinse it, and then I'll get it ready for the polish cycle. I'll add the polish, and also add some of that borax, and I'll run it for a week. Okay, that's it for now.